While a Vitamix isn't cheap, it's worth the investment if you blend up a smoothie every morning, love a pureed butternut squash soup, or prefer your coffee with freshly made nut milk. There are many products available to choose Vitamix blenders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Vitamix blenders from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. E310 Explorian Series Vitamix. The E310 Vitamix is our pick for the best blender overall. Our test kitchen used it to crush ice into a snow cone consistency, one of the ultimate assessments of a blender's capabilities. It performed this task beautifully, along with emulsifying kale and heating roasted butternut squash into a soup. Due to its outstanding 1140 watts of power. It features 10 different speed settings, which allows for greater experimentation and customization than other models. It has the capacity to hold 48 ounces. Its pulse feature and tamper allow you to liquefy lumpy, hearty ingredients like roasted carrots into a silky smooth carrot ginger soup. This model is equipped to heat soups and make nut butter. It has all of the power and features that Vitamix is best known for. Yet, it comes at a reasonable price. If you're going to get a Vitamix, you can't go wrong with this C310 model. Pros: high power motor for advanced blending. Wide range of speed settings. Reasonable price. Cons: not suitable for bulk recipes. Number 2. Vitamix ONE Black. If you're hoping to spend the bare minimum on your blender, this Vitamix ONE is for you. This blender has all of the quality that Vitamix is known for, without all of the bells and whistles. It comes with a simple tamper and dial, making the process of blending as natural and quick as can be. This model differs from its high-end counterparts. It's not designed to make fine powders or heat soups. Although, you're still getting a motor with 1.2 horsepower. It's a great choice if you plan to use it for smoothie recipes, baby food, homemade salsas and salad dressings. It comes with a 32 ounces capacity, so it is best suited for someone making single-serve smoothies or small batches of homemade ice cream. Pros: least expensive model. Compact size. Powerful motor for its price. Cons: not suitable for advanced blending. Number 3. 5200 Legacy Series Vitamix. The 5200 Legacy Vitamix holds up to 64 ounces, making it a great choice for the person who hopes to make big batches of dips and sauces, or just loves cooking for a family. Yet, its tall, low-profile container is still easily hidden behind a cabinet. Due to its 2 peak horsepower, its blades move quickly enough to create friction heat. This means that within about 6 minutes you can heat vegetables into a hot soup. Wow. Its precise blades can also pulverize seeds. So, if you would like to grind flaxseed into flax meal, this is a great choice. Its dial allows you to easily adjust speeds as you blend. These speeds range from 1 to 10. It's best suited for the home cook who likes to be in control of the blending process and create their own recipes. Pros: powerful motor for advanced blending. Large 64 ounces capacity. Wide range of speed settings. Low profile container shape. Cons: doesn't feature default speed settings as some other models do. Number 4. Professional Series 750. This Professional Series 750 has all of the bells and whistles. Equipped for any recipe you have in mind, it automatically blends smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts and purees. These pre-programmed settings allow you to dump your ingredients and walk away. Your Vitamix does all the work for you. Plus, it has a self-cleaning feature. That means with a drop of dish soap and a bit of warm water, your Vitamix cleans itself in 60 seconds or less. If you're hoping to get into the world of making homemade almond butter or vegan queso, this model is ideal for you. Although a 64-ounce capacity can create family-sized batches, you can still easily store it in a kitchen cabinet due to its low-profile container shape. This model does cost a pretty penny, but with a motor of 2.2 peak horsepower, you'll never question whether you're getting your money's worth. Pros: pre-programmed speed settings according to recipe. Self-cleaning feature. High power motor allows for advanced blending. Large 64 ounces capacity. Cons: bulky design that requires storage space. Most expensive model. Number 5. A2500 Ascent Series Vitamix. The A2500 Ascent Series Vitamix has everything you need, and then some. This model is ideal for the tech-savvy home cook. It includes 3 programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups and frozen desserts. This simple design is also smart. All you have to do is set it to the correct setting, and the Vitamix will take it from there. The self-detect feature enables it to automatically adjust to your container size. It then blends and stops blending when the recipe is finished. However, its variable speed control and pulse feature allow you to blend things manually. It also includes a built-in digital timer, so that you can keep an eye on how long you're blending and make adjustments to your favorite recipes. Although this type of quality never comes cheap, we can't recommend this model enough. Pros. High power motor for advanced blending. Both automatic and manual speed options. Self-detect feature enables it to automatically adjust to your container size. 64 ounces capacity. Cons. Steep price tag. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.